Working backward with the volume formulas. Let's start with the prism. We start with V equals big BH, and we're going to replace the B with length times width because we have a rectangular base. Substitution step, plugging in for volume, plugging in for our length and width of 6.4 and 6.8, and we're solving for H, the height of the prism. Simplify the right-hand side, so it'll be 348.16 equals 43.52 times H. Divide by that on both sides so that you can isolate your variable, and H equals 8 inches. This is a rectangular pyramid, so the base is a rectangle, but it's a pyramid, so we start with 1/3 big BH. We're going to replace the B with length times width. Our substitution step, 60 equals 1/3. 6 times whatever W is, times our height of 5. Simplifying the right-hand side, 6 times 5 is 30, a third of that is 10. So 60 equals 10W, divide by 10 on both sides, so our width is 6 inches. This is a triangular prism. We start with the formula V equals big BH and replace the B with the area of a triangle. So replace B with 1/2 BH times H, the height of the prism. This is our substitution step. 90 equals 1/2, 12 times whatever we're looking for. So 12 is the base, H is the height of the triangle, 3 is the height of the prism. So 90 equals 18H, divide by 18 on both sides, and that will give us 5 for our height, 5 inches. This figure is a triangular pyramid, so we're going to start with the formula 1/3 big BH and replace the B with the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 BH. The second H is the height of the pyramid. Replacing V with 16, we get 1/3 times 1/2. The legs are 3 times 4, and we're solving for H. Simplifying here, 1/3 and 3, 1/2 of 4 is 2, so we get 16 equals 2H. Solving for that, we get H equals 8 meters. Our cylinder has matching bases, so we'll start with V equals big BH, and we're going to replace B with the area of a circle, which is pi r squared, times the height of the cylinder. Now our substitution step, 3.14 for pi, the radius is 7, and then the H is what we're solving for. Simplify the right-hand side, and you will get 153.86 times H. When you divide by that on both sides, you do that to isolate your variable and get H. Do the same thing to the other side, and that will give you 20. So the height is 20 inches. For our cone, we're going to start with the formula V equals 1/3 big BH. We're going to replace the B with the area of the base, which is a circle, so pi r squared. Our substitution step on the right-hand side will be 1/3, 3.14 for pi, and then they gave us a diameter of 12, so we'll need a radius of 6 for our formula. Simplifying the right-hand side, 1/3 times 3.14 times 6 squared will give us 37.68 times H. Divide by that so that you can isolate your variable, do the same thing to the other side, and you'll get H equals 8 centimeters.